Subscribers, Robert Welkner here with my good buddy Dave from YouTube channel Dave We Like.
How
We're
y'all doing over there?
we're testing out the a YouTube new feature called Co Live Together. I got to look at my laptop here. I've already forgot the name of it.
Yeah, it's like the Brady Bunch. How you doing?
And I think it rolled out. I mean, well, there's two ways. So I think you can watch this vertically with one of us on top of the other. But I think if you're watching it on a browser, it should be side by side.
Oh,
Um,
that's a neat feature. So you can change it.
Yeah, I think on a browser it'll be side by side, but vertically
Okay.
on phone, so yeah. So we don't really have a topic. We're just kind of like chat for a bit. If you are in chat, say hi, ask a question. We'll try and respond. Keep it clean. And I don't know if I'll keep this video on archive or not. It's just kind of a test. Dave, just like, what's the brief on what you do on your channel?
Oh yeah. Well, so most recently, just covering a bunch of products that I get in the mail. I think we all have a lot of Amazon packages coming to our door, right? So I'm like, might as well do a video on this one. Most recently, I mean, I like to cover a lot of Roku products, but most recent video was about some Motorola baby camera. A baby's on the way, not delivered from Amazon, but so I'm getting all the gear ready, and this camera arrived, and I'm like, okay, it's by Motorola, it should be good. It was a horribly buggy experience, and yes, that's life, man. Why do people like put out bad products? I don't know. I don't get it.
Did it come in good condition from Amazon? Because that's usually the thing, how things are beat up.
Yeah, I mean, in order to return it, right, you got to say that. but no, it all worked on out. So it was just a software. They don't have good engineers or something like that. But I'm looking forward to all the new Google news as well that has just been released that you're going to be talking about, aren't you?
Well, I haven't watched any of the Google press conference stuff, IO, but it's been going on, earlier today, and I was like, I just clicked on some headline stuff. Let me see.
Yeah.
I'm also looking at the stream, and I'm seeing there's a little bit of delay because it's funny when I'm talking, the playback, it's you. It's like the opposite. So there's definitely,
Hmm.
so they have to. Send. I mean, we're talking. I'm talking on my phone, and Dave's talking on his phone, and this is being combined in the YouTube platform directly, no third party
Oh,
software.
that's interesting.
So
Okay.
that's yeah, so that's like the new thing that to sort of like test out. But let me see, what are some of the headlines? This is from CNBC.com. So far, Google has announced the new Palm 2 large language model for AI. Of course, Dave and I have both been loosely adopting AI and ChatGPT.
We've been trying. I've been told that resistance is futile with AI, so you gotta just adapt with it.
Yes, I actually use it to chat to AI to write to some of my YouTube descriptions for my videos this week, kind of assist.
You can't reveal the secrets, man.
I know I wanted to almost do like a hashtag, like, this written by or co-written
I
by.
know, yeah. Let people in on the scoop, but yeah, it's pretty impressive. I've had some blog posts. I said the author was AI just so people were aware, because it's like I don't know, man. How do you know what's real and what's not anymore, or what was written by a person and not?
Yeah, maybe the chat should spit things out. Chat GPT should spit things out in like a certain font or something. So if you copy and paste it, you know it's directly from there.
Yeah, it'll be italicized if it was written by a robot. Yeah.
Let me see the other headlines. So a lot of it is AI headlines on the Google I/O conference. Another one is new AI writing tools for Gmail. Of course, that I think that's helpful. I mean, I have the Grammarly plugin for my Google
Hmm.
Chrome. Do you use that at all, Grammarly, or
Uh,
anything to help?
No,
Right.
no. So what does that do?
Oh, it's a great. It's free Chrome extension, and like while you're typing things, like if I'm proofreading things for my blog or just emails or anything, it'll just kind of like highlight misspelled words, or if you need a
Oh,
comma,
okay, okay.
you
Yeah,
know.
with Gmail, what I do is, so far as you're writing the email, it'll spit out, "Is this what you're trying to say?" And then you say, "Yeah, yeah, yeah." So finish the sentence for me, because that's exactly what I was trying to say. But no, I've never tried a plugin that specifically also reads my emails. I didn't even know that
Everything.
existed.
Oh yeah, yeah. It reads everything. I'm sure Grammarly is selling all of my information to
Exactly. Yeah.
let me
So
see.
is the AI. So is everybody. So it's fine.
Another headline. It says again. I'm just looking at the titles. I don't know. I'm not even clicked on these. Immersive view for Google Maps. I mean, that's kind of my default. Is Google Maps your default on your phone?
Yeah, it is on my phone, not on my computer. I'm a Bing guy, I know. But if I always get lost in the world, then I switch on over to Google and find my way because I know I'm crazy like that. But so what is it that they're changing with the
Uh,
Google?
it's yeah. I'll click on it. Immersive view will give maps. Hang on. This is hard to read because this article is literally updating
Oh,
as I'm clicking on it. So it's kind of moving around. Uh,
maybe it goes into buildings now because I thought it was pretty immersive before.
the new AI powered functionality will pull in air quality information, weather, and visualize chosen routes. I think AI will be like pretty much every topic of
Yeah,
all
yeah,
the updates.
yeah. No,
So
absolutely.
the demo suggested flyover functionality, and that feature would be helpful for travel, superimposed over the user's interface. These are just quotes kind of pulled. Somebody's writing from the
Yeah.
CNBC article
I mean,
here.
even Google doesn't know what they're doing. They're just like throwing stuff on the wall, AI on the wall, and then they're trying to figure out, well, I guess we could do it this way. It does sound useful, knowing the air quality and the route that you're going, I
And
guess.
you said that you use Bard. So another headline is Google adds new features to Bard chatbot removes the wait list. What's the wait list on Bard? I don't know what that is.
Oh, I don't use Bard. I'm a Bing chat person. I've been using that system. It's working great. But I guess Bard is similar in that it's their AI chat system as well, or search engine system, and you had to be on a wait list like you did with the Microsoft version. But I thought Microsoft removed that now, but maybe.
The wait list for like getting access. I was thinking that there was
Mhm.
like I'm thinking like OG days, like you go into like a chat room and there was like a wait list or something.
Oh,
I messed that up. My bad. Again, I'm testing this live streaming. I'm looking at article. I'm like QCing the live stream to see. So far, nobody has chatted. It looks like there might have been one or two people that sort of popped over. I'm not sure.
yeah, I'm waiting for somebody to finally talk on my screen so I can see, but nobody is right now. But it's kind of interesting. Maybe the notification hasn't come on out to viewers yet. Who knows how long it takes? We've only been doing it for 7 minutes so far. Maybe it takes 10 minutes. Who knows?
There, I just said in my
Boy,
chat.
that I did see that pop up, and it appeared at the bottom of the screen, and it was so fast.
Yeah, so that's good. So
Yeah.
and I don't know if there's a way. Oh, I can touch the screen and I can like pull down and it shows the chat. So I can like if it went away, I can see
Oh, I
it
see that. I see that. Yes. Hello. Hello. So
and I
you
can.
just touch the screen. Okay, great. Anywhere.
Yeah, yeah. So I got that. So that's good. And then because we are on our phones, we could flip the camera around if we wanted to show things around.
Yeah.
Uh, Let me see. The last headline: Google AI is coming to Docs, Sheets, and Slides. I don't think I use. I guess I use Google Docs a lot, so that'll be interesting
Mhm.
to see when I'm doing my spreadsheets and things like
Uh,
that. You know?
those spreadsheets. I mean, hopefully they make the formula a little bit easier to use, for everybody.
Well, that's been. I mean, I have been messing around a little bit about with chat and like doing coding is supposed to be like a really great thing. So with spreadsheets, coding, like having strings and coding calculations, that could help a lot.
Well, you can imagine the possibilities, and yet I don't know what to do with AI right now. Like, honestly, yeah. So I did those. I did some blog posts, done some YouTube stuff, metadata stuff with it. I rewrote my resume. Um, I have an interview with that resume, so that's coming on up.
Oh, there you
Um,
go. An interview with another AI person or a real.
yeah, exactly. I mean, I wish I could have the AI just like go on into the interview for me, because I have taken a snippet of my voice from actually one of my YouTube videos, and then I had it speak in Spanish because you can do that with AI, just speak another language randomly, and it sounded like me. It was really creepy. So maybe the AI could just like listen to the conversation that I'm having with the HR person and get me the job for myself based on my own qualifications on my resume.
Yeah. Oh, you're hired. If anybody's if whoever's hiring hire Dave we like, what kind of
Yes.
job is
See,
it?
we
What
just got a like. We just got a like. Thank you. Thank you.
for is that you yourself that you just like this? When you're talking about
Yeah.
what field is the job that you applied in? Is that a secret or is it
Oh
tech
no,
or
I don't care. I'm probably not going to get the job anyway, as I never do. This one, most recently, is with IGN. It's some metadata, yada yada, blah blah blah, boring just stuff. But it's also a part time job too, and I'm like, well, that sounds fine. I'll try it out, see what happens. Oh, did we just get another comment?
Wait,
Yo,
oh,
gaming
we
boy in the
got
house.
chat.
How you
All right,
doing?
gaming boy. Hello, thanks for watching. I'm doing a test with my buddy Dave and of Dave We Likes YouTube channel. How do things sound? Look?
Yeah.
Are they clear? Is
If
this
we're
this?
talking over one another, can you like make us out and whatever?
Yes,
Uh,
yes. Because this is basically just a random test, and we arbitrarily are talking about like AI and Google I/O stuff. Also,
yeah. Have you been impacted by AI yet at your job or your life? Or like maybe it's found you a new wife, you know? I mean, she just happens to be living in Russia, but it's fine. And as long as they can be
uh,
your dating guide and guru, that'd be helpful.
yeah, I haven't had that far of an experience.
No,
I did
okay,
I did
okay.
have a bunch of leftovers in my fridge, and I typed into ChatGPT like, okay, here's what I got. I've got spaghetti, I've got some corn, I got some broccoli. What kind of things can I make with this? And it gave me like an outline of different. Um,
That's pretty. That's very creative. I will give that one to you. I'm down. So what did you make? What was the dinner?
I just used the chat to get ideas, and then I just made like just leftover spaghetti. Nothing.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, this is
I was
really
an
helpful
experiment.
AI, but you know what? I'm just going to do something completely different. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah. Let me see. Okay, so that comment pop up. Let's see. Game Boy. Used to watch all your videos back in the day when you used to do Skylanders videos. Yes, of course. Thanks for that. I would still be making Skylander videos now. If there was new games or something, but since there isn't, I'm just kind of
Activision.
I'm just kind of
There's got to be that's got to be in the work with Activision though. If they got bought out by Microsoft, I mean, Microsoft spending $69 billion on the deal. They're going to want to milk it just like they've been milking Minecraft, right? With all these different additions and updates. So you'd think that that would be the next deal that they'd make if Microsoft finally got the rights to buy or the approval to buy Activision. But I think it was this week that they're going to be talking to the EU, and the EU may or may not be giving approval on that. So we'll see. I think the UK didn't, and then the US is still up in the air.
Yeah, I would. I mean, at a minimum, at least give us a Skylanders collection of all the games. Maybe
Yeah,
three of the figures, and that would be like the first step. And Activision has done like Spyro collections and reboots on the Crash Bandicoot and stuff. So it's not too far out there to think that this may happen. Gaming
yeah,
Boy, wait. So, what sort of video games? Oh, that man that went away. So the comment pops up. If you don't get to the comment, it fades away slowly, and then you have to tap back on the
it
screen.
does. And not just fades away slowly, but when I hold my finger on the screen, it like flashes the comment section. So I mean, maybe you're better off just reading on the computer these comments for now until they update this. But it's a good idea. Or maybe it's just
Yeah.
because I have salsa on my screen and it's not understanding. Is it flashing with you? Let me clear my screen. I don't know. It looks a little dirty. Hold on.
No flashing. But
Okay, okay, let's see.
I can see.
No, it wasn't the salsa. It wasn't the salsa.
I can pin a comment. I can add somebody as a moderator.
Oh,
Uh,
cool.
I can put somebody in timeout. Thankfully, nobody. It seems like there's only one or two people watching. So, as far as games, I actually been playing Dead Space 2 on the Game Pass.
Retro.
Yes, well, what happened was when they said they were going to redo game Dead Space, the first one, I was like, you
Mm,
know what? It's been like 10 years since I played that. Let me play that, and then when the new version comes out, I'll replay it, and it'll look amazing. And then what happened was I replayed the original, the OG one, and then I was in the mood for more, so I've been playing Dead Space 2, and now I'm thinking like, will I play Dead Space 3? Like next, and then
you
and
got
then
to
go
keep
back
going.
and play, yeah, play like the The
Wasn't
first
there
I'll never
wasn't
forget.
there a TV show or a cartoon about Dead Space?
I think there was a movie. I think there was an animated Dead
It
Space
was
movie.
animated. Okay, okay, okay. Did you ever see that?
I think I might have. I think it was a bonus. Wasn't that like a bonus on one of the
I
games?
can't, I can't remember. It's just like I thought it was a thing, and then I never saw it somehow. I don't know what happened.
I
But
vaguely remember seeing it, or at least maybe seeing like I used to go to all these preview events and stuff, and I might have saw it like at a preview thing. So
yeah,
what about you, Dave? What is the last game
I mean,
you've been messing with?
plug in the Xbox controller into my PC was kind of my big revelation
Do you
last
have a
year
controller
because
nearby?
I'm there it is, love it, love it. I don't do it wirelessly because I don't have a battery and all that sort of stuff. So I just plug it in like super retro, and it works perfectly fine with the computer. And I play Halo Infinite because I was trying to do that on my my mouse and keyboard. I'm like, well, I don't want to hook up the Xbox. I'm too lazy. And it was like this screen. I've got the Surface Studio 2 screen, so it's like this is like a 20 something inch screen. It's a big screen and it can play Halo. Okay, let's just do it here. So yeah, I've been playing that a lot. And actually, yeah, my wife was yelling at me yesterday because she was upstairs and I was playing downstairs, right? And I got these Logitech speakers and I was playing on volume 12, not loud at all. But she's like, there's something going on. It's Tuesday night and it's 11 o'clock at night and somebody's playing music and there's a lot of explosions or something. What the hell is going on? I keep walking outside thinking like, oh, I'll hear it. Let's hear what it is. And no, it was me playing video games. So I had to turn off the bass. So, but that's how you know you got good speakers is if the wife upstairs starts yelling at you.
Yeah, yeah, you can't. I remember when I used to have roommates or something like that, or
Yeah.
neighbors. Yeah, I remember when Rock Band was a thing. I was me and my
Oh,
buddy
with the foot?
Mike.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
foot pedal thing.
we were jamming on Rock Band. Actually, I had a party once where we were playing Rock Band in one of my condo that I had, and one of my
Mhm.
neighbors they called the cops on us, and it was like 11 o'clock at night. We were just singing and drumming and keyboards and everything, and I'm
Having a good time as you do.
yeah, and
Nothing bad
I
with that.
told the police, I was like, really 11 o'clock playing Rock Band? This
Yeah,
is
that's ridiculous. And again, it's like you could have just come on up. You have to call the cops. You could have just walked up the
yeah.
stairs and told me.
Knock on the door or
Um,
something. Oh wait, we got
yeah.
something else. Let me see another comment. Mr. I 100. Yo, CoinOp, long time no see. Hope you're doing. I hope you're doing good. And I remember seeing a lot of your videos back in the day. So I'm watching for those. If anybody's jumping in, I'm testing out this streaming go live feature on my YouTube, and I'm doing it on my phone. I'm trying to read the comments on my phone,
It
and
ain't easy.
it's a little tricky because first I have to touch my phone, and I've been scratching my face a lot, so I'm getting whatever oils on my face onto my phone.
No, it's fine. We're all itchy. I get it. I get it. The
Well,
asbestos in the air or
I
something.
just shaved because I'm getting very whiskery and stuff.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
No, I'm
any
trying to load it up on my computer right now.
for any of the
It's a
OGs
spinning
back.
wheel. That's weird.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe your internet is maybe you're using too much.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
No, okay, we're side by side on my computer. So here it is that I'm thinking I should be talking to you this way. Is that or this way? I'm not sure which one is my
no, yeah.
left.
Like if I want to look at you, like
Yeah.
point at you, I'm waiting to see what the delay is.
It's such a delay. I don't know where we are in the video.
I'm pointing. Yeah, it's hard to tell. I'm looking at the video now. I'm getting a little distracted with this test,
Yeah, it
but
seems like it's to my left. It's to my left. You're to my left. Hello, Rob. How are you? What's up?
my delay is really old because it's not showing me pointing at all. It's showing me
Wait,
talking.
am I to no, I'm to the right. Now I don't know where I am. I can't figure it out. But anyway, that's cool. Because on our phone, I guess that's a nice feature that we would appear vertically and then on a computer we're horizontal. I like that. Nice job, YouTube. It
But
was definitely worth waiting for that one feature alone.
but yeah, thanks for the couple people who kind of jumped in, and and the OGs. I mean, like for for those who haven't really been watching. I mean, I haven't really been doing gaming videos much. In case anybody's wondering why,
Nor has
it's
G4, It's just so sad.
Well, the reason why, I mean, first of all, like the Toys to Life games all kind of went away, so that was like step one. Step two was
Right.
like all this demonetization and flagging and copyright strikes for like music and video games stuff like that. So that's why I just make these really lo-fi. I'm watching. I'm kind of finally caught up on the feed. So if I turn left, I am facing you on yeah, side by side. So just who knows if that's going to be a thing. Now you're actually turning, and you were if anybody who's watched this back in the archive, I know what the time code is 20 minutes in. You were actually not facing me, Dave. So I lucked out 50-50, and you were facing the chat though. So if that meant anything.
Okay, that counts. Hello, chat.
But so that was the yeah. So anybody who's watching this, if you've stayed for 20 minutes, we'll probably wrap this up in another minute. But like, yeah, once you start getting like these flags and strikes and copyright things,
The whole world is over once you get that stuff on YouTube.
yeah, I pretty
You're
much
never going to be featured. The algorithm hates you, and it's just like I don't understand how so many channels have gotten away with the content that they've been posting, especially of recent time. Like back in the day, when I was a first YouTube partner, maybe in 2010 or something, I had to physically reach on out to the video game companies, get written permission, not just an email, but an actual written document that I would then send to YouTube, and then YouTube would deem whether or not I actually had permission to post that and monetize that video. And I'm like, this is ridiculous. I'm talking about the video game that I was clearly given a copy, a review unit for, and then here it is. I can't do anything with it. And then now, fast forward to 2023, anybody can post whatever it is that they feel like, and is that who's making money off of any of this sort of stuff? I have no idea, but it's just frustrating. You put a lot of time and effort into a review or whatever it is that you end up doing, and then lo and behold, it gets demonetized, or worse, you get a copyright strike, and the whole video gets taken down. It's ruthless. So you never know.
yeah. So that's why I was like, well, let me try this feature because then I can at least talk to like maybe maybe once a month or every couple of weeks, just kind of like reach out to somebody,
Yeah.
talk live
Well,
stream.
it's a different form of a podcast. I mean, we've tried as well over the years doing podcasts and these sort of video things, and it's always been challenging. I mean, I was a huge live streamer back in the day on UStream, and this is just one of those things that it's a nice feature. It works correctly, amazingly enough, for a brand new feature, and you're just like, oh, this is really engaging. So, maybe people will like it if we actually know what we're talking about and talk about something that they're into. But we'll figure out new subjects and do some more planning.
Yeah, you know what
But
I can't figure out on how to do is I actually want to chat back on my phone, and I'm looking for a way to get into the chat to live chat. Let's see. So chat options. So I'm looking for a way to like talk back in chat, and it seems like that is impossible to do. I mean, I can
you mean to type on the on
on
the
on
yes?
on my phone, yeah, like while we're live streaming. Do you see a
Yeah.
way do you see a way to do
Mm,
that? I'm typing it in right now manually on my computer that's sitting next to me,
yeah,
but
you got to do it on the computer.
I don't see a way to do that on the phone. So that's
Nope,
another thing,
nope, nope, nope.
to
Nope,
tweet.
not a feature yet.
This is this
Maybe
is
by 2040 it'll be
yeah.
integrated, but
Well, this
yeah.
is beta. So all right, well,
Yeah.
it's almost 25 minutes. I have a feeling that my wrist, I'm holding the phone is probably soon going to get more
You
wobbly.
gotta upgrade to the foldable phone and put it on the desk, or just get a
I
tripod
have a
next time.
tripod that turns sideways. I'll have to try that.
Yeah,
This was very impromptu. So,
yeah,
um,
yeah, right. We'll
and
make it happen for
for
next time.
everybody's a big fan of
Oh, see, you should have just been showing Scout this entire time. Way more views, way
yeah.
more likes.
Follow Best Friend Scout on Instagram and then follow Dave on his YouTube channel. Can't wait to see the next video you post. And thanks
Oh,
for.
it'll be filled with something amazing. I'm
Oh, we
sure
got
of it.
another person jumped in. How do you pronounce this guy's name or woman's name?
DJ Digby.
There
Close
you go.
enough?
Shout outs to you. Thanks for jumping in. We're actually just wrapping this up.
Yeah,
Almost.
but thank you for being here. Thank you for chatting. I hope you're intrigued by whatever this is, this new feature. It's gonna be cool in the future for
And
new
what
videos, new content, more, more, more. They want more, Rob.
And everybody watch my new Shaw Brothers videos. I need to get 100 views on each of those, and then everybody gets a free Tesla, right?
Oh, it is Digby. Yeah. See.
Digby.
Cool.
All right. Thank you for clarification.
Of course.
All right. Well, Dave, have a good rest of the day. Everybody who's watching this, maybe I'll keep this up. It was kind of interesting. We talked about current events, so maybe I'll keep
Yeah.
it up.
I hope everybody likes our uniform. In this video. Oh,
I,
you're actually
oh,
wearing something. I got no graphic. I thought we were
yeah,
just two gray shirts.
but by showing that now, I'm going to be demonetized because I don't have permission for this
You
look.
don't. I'm sorry. All right. Well, I'll see y'all later. How
All
do
right.
I exit? I guess you end it, and I'll just
Yeah,
sit here.
I'm just gonna hit the X as an X there. So it
Okay.
says,
Okay.
Mr. X says it looks fine despite the
Hey,
shape.
Mr. I. See you later.
All right, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.